At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a Teachers Pay Teachers (TPT) store can be a fulfilling venture, especially if you have a passion for education and creating teaching resources. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and identify your niche. Explore the TPT marketplace to understand what kinds of resources are in demand. Identify your strengths and interests within education, whether it's math, science, language arts, or specific grade levels. 2. Create quality resources. Develop high-quality teaching materials that address the needs of your target audience. Ensure that your resources are engaging, well-designed, and aligned with educational standards. 3. Set up your TPT seller account. Visit the TPT website and sign up for a seller account. You'll need to provide some basic information and agree to the seller terms. 4. Design your store. Customize your TPT store by adding a profile picture, banner, and description. Make sure your store reflects your brand and showcases your expertise. 5. Upload your resources. Start uploading your teaching resources to your TPT store. Include detailed descriptions, previews, and keywords to help potential buyers find your products. 6. Price your products. Determine the prices for your resources. Consider factors such as the amount of time and effort you put into creating them, as well as the market demand. 7. Market your store. Promote your TPT store and resources through various channels, such as social media, education forums, and your own website or blog. Networking with other educators can also help increase your visibility. 8. Engage with your customers. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and feedback. Building positive relationships with your buyers can lead to repeat purchases and word-of-mouth referrals. 9. Continuously improve your products. Regularly update and improve your teaching resources based on customer feedback and changes in educational standards. This will help you stay competitive in the marketplace. 10. Monitor your sales and analytics. Keep track of your sales performance and analytics through your TPT seller dashboard. Use this data to identify trends, optimize your marketing efforts, and make informed decisions about your business. Remember that building a successful TPT store takes time and dedication. Stay committed to creating valuable resources for educators, and you'll gradually grow your business over time. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.